Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility. Check the MA now, dial *#06# and write down the 15 digits. Once done, gather your invoice, serial number, and seller contact so you have proof. Make sure to review the PTA rules in your region. They explain fees and timing. Starting with these concrete facts avoids wasted steps later and ensures you have the documentation required for lawful registration or support from official channels. Next, you submit the device through the official PTA portal or authorized counter. Create an account and enter the MA exactly as shown. Once entered, follow prompts to upload your invoice and complete payment using approved methods. Make sure to save the confirmation receipt and reference number. These prove lawful registration. This step prevents service blocks and keeps the phone compliant, and it also gives you leverage if a retailer or carrier needs proof. Finally, complete setup and verify. Restart the iPhone, insert a local SIM, and test calls, SMS, and mobile data. If the device remains blocked, check the MA status on the PTA portal and compare it to your registration reference number. Make sure to contact the PTA helpline or the authorized seller with your confirmation documents and invoice. One troubleshooting tip: if registration shows pending, wait 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.